In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from a PowerPoint presentation and transfer it seamlessly into a Word document. This skill can be incredibly useful when you need to create a text-based document from a PowerPoint slideshow for easy editing, sharing, or printing. Now let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you get it right the first time. First, begin by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Ensure that you have the presentation you want to extract text from loaded up and visible on your screen. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and locate the File tab. This tab is your gateway to various saving and exporting options that PowerPoint offers. By clicking on the File tab, you'll notice several options in the sidebar. The one you want to select is Export. In some older versions of PowerPoint, this might be labeled as Save and Send, so keep an eye out for that if you're working with an older software version. Whichever label appears, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal further options, including one labeled Create Handouts. Click on Create Handouts, which is typically situated on the right side of the panel. After selecting Create Handouts, look for the Create Handouts button once again centered on the following interface screen. Once you've located it, a new dialog box will emerge named Send to Microsoft Word. Within this dialog box, you'll see various options regarding the format of your text export. For the purpose of extracting just the text titles and bullet points, without any images or slide graphics, choose the outline only option. This is perfect if you're focusing solely on textual content, keeping things streamlined and straightforward. However, if your needs include incorporating speaker notes or additional context from your slides, you have the option to choose notes below slides. Just keep in mind this will retain more of the presentation's content than just the outline. Once you've selected your preferred format, you face another important choice. Select Paste to create a standalone Word document. This means your new document is independent of any future changes to the PowerPoint. Alternatively, selecting Paste Link creates a dynamic link between your PowerPoint and Word documents, so any updates you make to the PowerPoint slide content will be reflected in the Word document automatically. With your selections made, go ahead and click the OK button. PowerPoint will now rapidly generate your Word document. In just a moment, you'll see your extracted text neatly organized within this new document, ready for any further editing or publishing tasks you have in mind. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint text is now in a Word document. This quick process saves you time and effort, allowing for efficient documentation and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow.